Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make fudge brownies. I also have a helper to help me make these brownies today. So, the ingredients that you'll need are 1 1/4 cup of butter, 1 teaspoon of coffee, and 1/4 of a cup of cocoa powder. You'll need 4 ounces of semi-sweet chocolate chips or unsweetened chocolate chip as you like, 3 eggs, half a cup of light brown sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1 cup of sugar, and 1 cup of flour. So let's get started with the brownies. So the first step that you'll need to do is you're going to need your butter and your chocolate chips and a whisk. So then you're going to get a pot out onto the stove and you're going to add in your butter. Okay, there we go. And then just let that in. Okay, and then you're going to add in your chocolate chips. And then you're going to whisk that until your butter and chocolate chips are melted and combined. We're almost done melting our butter and chocolate chips together. This is what you should have. You should have a nice color from the chocolate. Looks so good. Okay, so once everything is melted, your mixture is ready to go. Turn off the heat and bring your pan right over here. This is what you should have. You can even smell all that chocolate in there. So now what you're going to do is you're going to add in your sugar, 1 cup of sugar. And then you're going to add in your brown sugar. All of it. So then you're going to whisk it together. And it should thicken up a little. You don't want any lumps. Okay, this looks pretty good. Now let's move on to the next step. Now you're going to need your 3 eggs, and you're going to add 1 at a time. So let's put the first egg in. And also one more brownie baking tip. You always want to mix your brownie batter by hand and never with a mixer. And you should feel your batter getting thicker after every addition. Now for the last egg. In your eggs, you're going to add your instant coffee. So again, you'll need a teaspoon of that. Okay. And then what you're going to do, you're going to get your vanilla extract and you're going to get 2 teaspoons of that. Good enough. Okay, so then you're going to mix in your batter. Oh, it smells like coffee now. Add in your cocoa powder. Okay, and then you're going to switch to your spatula. Okay, and then you're going to mix in your cocoa powder with your spatula. Okay, and then you want to make sure that you mix it in really good. And then after that, you're going to add in your flour. And you can add it just all in at once. You want to try not to get any lumps in your batter. So we are all done mixing our batter. And just another tip, the more you mix your batter, the more soft and airy your batter will get. So if you want nice soft brownies, make sure to mix it a lot. Okay, so then you're going to transfer your batter from your pot to a pan. We're using this pan, but you can use whatever you like. And then you're going to grease it and put a baking sheet on it. So now we're just going to add our batter into. If you want, you can decorate your brownie with some pecans. We did, but you don't have to. It's totally optional. So now we're going to bake our brownie in the oven at 350 degrees for 20 minutes. Okay, so now we'll just put those in the oven and let them bake. So our brownie is done baking and it looks really good. And just one last tip. After you take out your brownie from the oven, you should wait for about an hour before eating. I hope you enjoyed making this brownie with us. Be sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. And we'll see you next time. Bye guys.
Bye.
So let's take a bite of this brownie with some ice cream.